back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Mitra Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So November is just going to end now and December is coming, and December is the season for Christmas and New Year. So in my today's video, I'm going to share with all of you guys a very simple bottle art idea on Christmas. So yeah, I hope that you are going to like this video, guys. And if you do, then do not forget to hit the like button and also share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. I would love to know how you felt about it. Now this is going to be very simple, nothing complicated, so even you guys can try this out at your home very easily and you can easily decorate your house for Christmas. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and also hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification at the earliest. So now without any further jibber jabber, let's just begin with our video. So this is the glass bottle and I'm going to paint on this one. So first I am using a sponge dabber and all I'm doing is just dabbing sky blue and Prussian blue color together, and I'm kind of smudging both the paints together, and now I have started painting it. So here I am going to paint Santa Claus here first, and for that I'm using white and cream color for the face of Santa and white for his hair and his beard, of course. And for doing that I'm here using round brush number 4. If you want, you can use any other brushes as well, that is completely your choice. And here goes the spiral hair of Santa Claus. Now you might find many patches here, as you can already see the blue color is actually coming out, but do not worry because this is just the first coat, so it is there's nothing to worry. Once the paint gets dried up, everything is going to be just fine. And here I'm using crimson red color for doing the hat of Santa Claus, and as you can see I'm using just one brush, and that I usually do. I use just one brush for the entire painting, and here also I am doing the same thing. And now I am actually painting socks of Santa Claus, and yeah, Santa is all about red and white, so here also I am using white color and red color alternatively for painting the sock. And yeah, Santa Claus is all about gifts and presents, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little tiny present inside the sock, and yeah, once it gets finished it is going to look really nice. And now I am giving it a nice second coat, and as you can see, this time the paint is looking much more brighter because the first coat has completely dried up, and applying the second coat has become much more easier now. And here I have mixed black with white to get the ash color shade, and for that I'm just doing some detailings on the beard. Now I'm keeping this painting very simple, nothing complicated, so I'm just doing very casual painting. And here I have mixed crimson red with white for getting that pink color, and then you have seen that I have given some highlights to the gift. And here I'm using that same pink color for the nose and the blushes of Santa Claus. And here at last I'm using black color for his eyes and his mouth, and I'm using black now for doing the highlights of everything, because that is going to make the entire painting look super bright. So that is what I'm going to do. And as you can see, again I'm using that very same brush for doing the highlights and the borders as well. And now since the sock is complete, I am doing the highlight of Santa Claus here, and then I'm just going to paint some bells so that it kind of gives that Christmas vibe. And here goes the beard of Santa Claus. I'm just going to highlight everything. I'm going to highlight the beard as well, because that is going to give it that very simple and cute look that I'm wanting actually. As I said, I do not want this to be very complicated something. I'm going to keep it very simple so that even you guys can give it a try, anybody can give it a try.
And here comes some snow, which is very important when you're talking about Christmas. It's all about snow. And here using white color I am writing Merry Christmas, and I'm just writing it in a random pattern. And here it is done. And at last, do not forget to seal your paint, seal your art with a nice thick coat of varnish. And for applying the varnish, here I'm using round brush number 12, and here it is. The painting is complete, and just look at it. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Definitely give it a try, guys, and decorate your house for Christmas.
Ta-da! So here it is. Just look at it, guys. I think it's just looking wonderful, and it is completely giving that Christmas vibe that I was talking about. And yeah, just have a look. I've written Merry Christmas here, and here's the Santa Claus socks with a very beautiful gift out here, and here is Santa Claus himself. So, oh yeah, I missed it. Here are 3 bells also. So yeah, I think it's just looking so pretty and beautiful, and it's so very simple, isn't it not? You can always try this out at your home. All you need is just a wasted bottle like this and some paints. That is it. And yeah, so I hope that you have liked this video, guys. If you did, then do not forget to hit the like button and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. I would love to know how you felt about it. And yeah, if you are watching this video or you're watching all my videos but you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it, because when you do that, I just feel great. So please subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button and press the all option, so that whenever I upload any new video on my channel, you're going to get the notification at the earliest. And guys, I upload videos on this channel on a weekly basis, so you're going to get new contents every Sunday. Or maybe twice sometimes in 1 week. So yeah, just subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.